Hi, how to insert SD card in TP-Link Tapo C225 camera? Turn off the camera by unplugging it. This is necessary to avoid damaging the device or SD card. Move the lens upward to access the SD card slot. Prepare a compatible microSD card. It typically supports up to 128 GB. Insert the card until you hear a click. Reconnect the camera to power. It should detect the new capacity automatically. The camera's indicator will be blinking blue, and the camera will be rotating. Just wait. Now we need to check the status of the inserted card in the Tapo app to ensure it is recognized and functioning correctly. Select the camera you need and navigate to the Settings option, located in the top right corner. In this step, we need to choose the Storage and Recording option, and inside it, MicroSD card. You will see the card status, including available recording time. The status message confirms that the SD card is working without issues. Select the formatting option for the SD card if you need to erase all data on a previously used card. This will delete all data and free up space. Thanks for watching. You will find more tips for your IP camera in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solutions.